Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, in today's conversation, we're going to talk about searching for a job. You finish your studies, you finish qualifying yourself, searching for a job, where to look, how to get help from friends, how to get help from the newspaper, internet and so on, to land a good job. So the conversation that goes on between friends in the process of getting a job. So searching for a job. That's the title for today's conversation. So Alice is looking for a job. She asked her friend Nancy for advice. What is the best way to find a job? And Alice gets help. Okay. Alice is asking Nancy. Nancy, Alice is asking Nancy, what is the best way to find a job? What is? What is the best source to find a job? Or what is the best way to find a job? What is the best way to land a job? What is the best way to land a good job? All of us want good job. So Alice is asking, Nancy, what is the best way to land a good job? All right. So Nancy tells, you could look in the newspaper. Maybe, Nancy says, maybe you could. Maybe you could look. You could look in the newspaper. In the newspaper. Okay, suggestions are given by Nancy to help her friend Alice. Maybe you could look in the newspaper. Then, what does she say? Oh, I did. I did, Nancy. I did, Nancy. But I did not find any. But I did not find any. So Alice had been looking into the paper and she didn't find any. Then Nancy says, maybe you could. You could then search. You could then search in the internet. In the internet. Okay, newspaper, nothing. Then you could search in the internet. Great, Nancy. Good idea. Great. So Alice says, great, Nancy. Great, Nancy. Good idea. Good idea. I shall work on it. I shall. So I shall work. I shall work on internet. Said Alice. She says, all right, that's a good idea. So Alice says, great idea, Nancy. I shall work on the internet. And then now Nancy is very happy. Alice, Nancy says, Alice, you could also look for. You could You could also look for. You could also look for in some company too. In some good company too. So they've looked into the newspaper. Now Nancy suggests go on the net. Then she also says it might be a good idea to look into some company jobs too. Then, thanks Nancy for all your good ideas. So Alice says, thanks. Thanks Nancy for all your good ideas. Or Alice could have said, Nancy, you have great ideas. Yes, I'll work on it. Now, you could get online and see if any you could get. You could get online and see. You could get online and see if any you could also submit your resume. You could also submit. You could also submit your resume. So, Nancy suggests, come on, Alice, get online. 3, if you find any, you could also submit your resume. Yes, Nancy, I will do so. Yes, Nancy, I'll do so. I'll do so quickly. You should keep on updating your resume. You should keep. So Nancy said, you should keep on. You should keep on updating. You should keep on updating your resume. All the best. All the best, Alice. All the best, Alice. So Nancy is such a good friend, supporting, helping Alice to find a job. I hope I shall land a good job, says Alice. I hope I shall land a good job. Nancy. Then Nancy says, have hope and keep on working on it. Have hope and keep on working on it. Keep on working on it. So here is Alice searching for a job and good friend Nancy supporting her, helping her, giving advice how to land a good job. She says, look in the paper, I've done so. Okay, go on the net, look into some companies and so on. Now, let us read together what I have here. Today's conversation is about searching for a job. Nancy, what is the best way to land a good job? Maybe you could look in the newspaper. I did, Nancy, but I did not find any. You could then search in the internet. Great, Nancy. Good idea. I shall work on internet. Alice, you could also look for in some company too. Thanks, Nancy, for all your good ideas. You could get online and see if any. You could also submit your resume. Yes, Nancy, I will do so quickly. You should keep on updating your resume. All the best, Alice. I hope I shall land a good job. Have hope and keep on working on it.